Welcome to Outreach Box. This tool helps you discover, analyze, and manage backlink opportunities in one place. You can run SEO, backlink, or competitor analysis campaigns to quickly find relevant websites, blogs, and resources. No manual research needed. The tool gathers key SEO data, finds contact details automatically, and lets you track your outreach progress with ease. All right, let's dive in and see how it works. Outreach Box helps to streamline and automate the entire link building and content promotion process. It helps users identify relevant websites in their niche, discover the right contacts, run data-driven outreach campaigns, and track performance, all from a single platform. By eliminating manual research and organizing prospects with key SEO insights, the tool enables efficient, scalable outreach that earns high-quality backlinks and improves search engine rankings. Before creating an SEO campaign, we need to set up a project. A project is the main topic or content we're working on, like a blog post, and it keeps everything organized in one place. We go to the Project section, click Create Project, and once it's set up, we can track all related outreach activities. Now that our project is ready, we can launch SEO, AEO, sales, influencer, and email campaigns, all from one place. Now let's create an SEO campaign step by step. To create a new SEO campaign, click the New Campaign button. This opens the campaign setup wizard, which walks us through everything step by step, so nothing feels complicated. First, we fill in a few basic details. Start with the campaign name. We give it a name that's easy to recognize later, like an inclusive speak, backlinks for speech delay. Next, we'll select a project from the Project section. Here, we're choosing our project, Outreach Box. After that, we select the research type. We have two options, SEO and AEO. We choose the option based on our campaign goal. If we select SEO, we get keyword, backlink, and ranking data that helps us improve our visibility in search engine results like Google. And if we select AEO, we get data that helps us optimize content for AI search engines, voice assistants, and featured snippets. In this case, we're choosing SEO as the research type since our campaign is focused on search optimization. Next, we choose the campaign type. The campaign type defines the approach we'll use to run our SEO campaign. For example, if we select broken link as the campaign type, it means we'll find broken links on other websites and suggest our content as a replacement. Here, we're selecting the backlinks option because we need strategies that help us identify link opportunities and build backlinks using specific methods for our website. After that, add a brief description. This is where we include a short summary of what the campaign is trying to achieve. Adding a clear and detailed description is always recommended for better project clarity. Now, let's move to keyword selection. This section helps us choose and add the most relevant keywords so we can find accurate and high-quality backlink opportunities for our campaign. Outreach Box allows us to select up to 12 keywords for each campaign. There are two types of keywords available. Crawled keywords. These are the keywords already collected from our website or project. custom keywords. These are new keywords that we manually add based on our own research to improve campaign results. By selecting the right keywords, we can target the most relevant search terms and discover better backlink and outreach opportunities. After that, we configure a few important settings. Max results. This option retrieves up to 120 high-quality and relevant results per keyword, prioritized based on search volume and relevance. Language. Here, we select the language of the websites we want to target. Region. This allows us to choose the specific country or market to get niche relevant results. After that, we have the search queries option. Search queries are automatically generated based on our selected campaign type. We can choose which queries to use, edit them as needed, or add custom queries of our own. These search queries are then combined with our selected keywords to help us find the most relevant prospects. Domain authority, DA. With this filter, we can set a minimum authority score to focus on higher quality backlink opportunities. Now let's select Contact Discovery. If we enable the Contact Discovery option, the system will automatically find domain-based emails, contact details, and social profiles for each prospect. In this case, we're enabling it because we need the contact details for outreach. Next, we are moving to campaign scheduling. Campaign scheduling allows us to either run the campaign immediately or schedule it to start automatically at a specific date and time. Before launching, review all the details once to make sure everything is correct. Once that's done, then, simply click the Create button to start the campaign. Once the campaign has finished running, we can view all of our campaigns from the campaign dashboard. Here, Outreach Box shows a list of all campaigns along with their names and current status. For example, you might see campaigns like competitor analysis, inclusive speak, backlinks for speech delay, or other backlink campaigns. Each campaign also has a status indicator, such as completed, so we can quickly see which campaigns have finished processing. This dashboard makes it really easy to manage multiple campaigns and track their progress all in one place. If you want to explore the results of a campaign, simply click on the campaign name. Once we open a campaign, we're taken to the campaign details page. At the top of the page, Outreach box shows a campaign progress summary. This section gives us a quick overview of how the campaign is performing. We can see useful metrics like the total prospects discovered, processed results, and overall campaign activity. These numbers help us quickly understand how many opportunities the campaign has generated. We can also see the campaign status, which tells us whether the campaign is running, scheduled, or completed. Another helpful detail here is the last run time, which shows when the campaign was most recently executed. This is especially useful when you're managing multiple campaigns and want to keep track of the latest updates. Next, we move to the prospect research section. This is where Outreach box shows all the prospects discovered during the campaign. These prospects include websites, blogs, and online resources that are related to our selected keywords and search queries. Instead of spending hours manually searching the web for backlink opportunities, Outreach box automatically finds and organizes these results for us. Each prospect represents a potential outreach opportunity where we can build backlinks, promote our content, or start collaborations. From here, we can review and analyze the prospects to decide which websites are the best targets for our outreach efforts. After prospect research section, we have the analytics part. This helps us track the progress of our prospects by showing their current status, such as newly discovered prospects or prospects that have already been processed. Finally, we have top domains. This section highlights some of the most valuable domains discovered during the campaign, helping us quickly identify high-quality backlink opportunities. Using the insights from prospect research and analytics, we can now identify the most relevant websites for our outreach. From here, we can start reviewing prospects, analyzing their SEO value, finding contact details, and preparing our outreach campaigns. This is where the real work begins, turning research into actual link building opportunities, all managed easily inside Outreach box.